Hello, what's up guys, welcome to the Village Girls channel. My name is Rebecca Wanjiro, aka the Village Girl. Today we are learning how to make sisal fiber, and the reason I'm doing this is because when I did the kiondo video, there are some guys who asked like, where do I get the sisal? So I came back for you guys. I wanted to show you how it is done. Make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, please share it. Okay, don't mind my hair, I'm in the village, I'm allowed to do that. This man is teaching us. He will introduce himself to you guys. That's it. So let's see.
I'm called Samuel Joroge.
Samuel Joroge.
No.
Sisal is a natural vegetable fiber which can be obtained from the leaves of agave Sisalana plant and is considered as an economic fiber in several countries which include Kenya, Tanzania, China, and Brazil. It is considered a plant of the tropics and subtropics since production benefits from temperatures above 25 degrees C and sunshine. The sisal plant has a 7 to 10 year lifespan and typically produces 200 to 250 commercially usable leaves. Each leaf contains around 1,000 fibers. Sisal plants consist of sword-shaped leaves about 1.5 to 2 meters tall. Young leaves may have a few minute teeth along their margins but lose them as they mature. Jehere kada? Kana jikana tujiposti go mijokeyo.
Ole gokwira. Gokwira rokambi jokero ma. Ole. Ole abere.
Oh.
Era mai no modera ma no mowi.
Ah, ruma sio meve ne more ga mori.
Mai.
Akaumbirira uguo.
Ngai mogo no kogo.
Yeah. Wathi. So if you are curious, this is exactly where you get sisal. So I'm gonna try. You do got sisal fiber. You know the fiber. I did it. twetuseke kana
tudunomwako tubange tujeti tunyitane natutugi oyoka
na ndukuigua ruo
aca nuoyuka oetwa
yeah. Oh, just like that.
Ajirudu.
Atiri odoge.
Karibu.
Aya. Hey.
Kwa hiyo gai. Oni wuri.
Aya. Uru ni rwa kiondo. Hey.
Kaka.
Oto niko gakuhi.
Tona tukuhe hona ni gaceke.
Niko
tukongere.
Tukongerere. Ndakora.
Niko kau. Turongerere riu. Yanyitana.
Aya. Yanyitana.
Ito wejina bra. Kejati ugo wejina yanyitana.
Aya. Ni muapo, mieta kwa muapo.
Bagashiro ya murakia ba. According to
So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time as we learn something new. I hope you've learned something from this. If you wanted to find out where we get Sisal fiber from, this is your video. So please share with someone who is curious and make sure you subscribe. Please also let them subscribe to my channel so that I can bring you more village content. Thank you and goodbye.